What's up, guys? Well, I didn't think I would be making this video so soon. I mean, I've only had this bike for like 3 months. It's got about 1,500 miles on it. And I go to start it up Thursday, the day after a Wednesday's ride, after I posted that video of riding in Ocala National Forest, and it just clicked and everything shut off. Let me see what it does now. Dash don't turn on. Looks like only the headlights daytime running light comes on, and that's pulsing. It's not even solid. So I'm not sure what happened. Nothing's disconnected. The terminals are tight. Everything is super clean. I maintain this bike very well. Ever since I bought it, I keep it, basically showroom. I haven't crashed it at all. Hasn't laid over, tipped over, fell over, none of that. So I'm trying to get a hold of the dealer because I have some warranties that I bought with the bike, and it should, I believe, have a 1-year manufacturer's warranty if I'm not mistaken. So what I did was, after this happened, I put a trickle charger on it. I have 2 of them. I have a newer, nice one, and I have an older one, which I figured was a little bit weaker. So I tried them both, and they showed full within about 10 minutes. But then I turned the bike on, well, I tried to turn it on, and it just clicks. And then I heard and saw some sparking here on the terminal, and I also heard some crackling noises. So from what I read online, there's a chemical reaction going on, and since the cells inside may have collapsed, it's venting pressure, which might be what the crackling sound I heard was. So I haven't heard it after that, so I'm not too worried about the bike blowing up or burning down. So I guess the next step, like I said, is to just get with the dealer, let them exchange it out, and go from there. Make sure they run a diagnostic, check the battery and charging system, and then we'll go from there, man. And so the only other thing that I've done is grab this multimeter. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Put it on DCV. See if I can do this with one damn hand. Alright, so I've got them both connected, red on red, black on negative. This is the most I've seen it, 5.5, not even 6 volts. It's supposed to be 12.5 and up, 12.6. So that's not looking good. The first time I tested it, it got 3.98, wasn't even 4. And this isn't much better, so it kind of tells us the battery is shot, man. That's what I think it is. And hopefully the charging system is okay. So that's why I want the dealer to check it out and run a diag, see what's up. But yeah. But yeah, that's the current update. I wanted to go ride today and show you a new road and a new spot that I found. But it's not possible at the moment, so I'll get back with you guys as soon as I can once I find out a little more. Make sure I don't fuck it up. But other than that, the bike's been doing wonderful, man. Still got the RM back there. I need to get on that soon. I've just been really busy with this bike and work. But that bike needs a cylinder replate, and it's pretty much good to go. A cylinder replate and a top end. And she'll be piping back up sooner or later, but I'm trying to focus on this. I want to grow the channel. I want to keep making videos while I got the bike. So if you guys have experienced this or something like it, write it in the comments. We should talk about it. These bikes are kind of new, so let's figure this stuff out. I know for a lot of the old bikes, everything's all figured out, man. Everything's in the forums, but this is, like I said, it's new. So let's keep the community going on this and keep the support going for everybody. You know what I mean? So yeah, you guys have a good day.